Welcome back to Sam Official Tech Asterisk, your go-to channel for the latest in technology and innovation. In today's video, we're diving into how machines are transforming the construction industry. From automated excavators to 3D printing, the use of advanced technology is helping build structures faster, safer, and more efficiently than ever before. Get ready to discover 17 incredible machines that are shaping the future of construction and taking productivity to the next level. Autonomous excavators are equipped with GPS and AI technology, allowing them to dig with extreme precision. These machines reduce human error, speed up excavation times, and minimize the need for manual labor. By using autonomous excavators, construction projects can scale faster and more accurately. 3D concrete printers are changing how we approach building construction. These machines can print entire sections of buildings layer by layer, reducing waste and speeding up the process. With 3D printing technology, construction companies can scale projects, customize designs, and cut costs significantly. Tower cranes are essential for large construction projects, especially for skyscrapers and tall structures. They allow for the lifting of heavy materials like steel beams and concrete slabs to great heights. By using tower cranes, construction teams can scale operations and complete tasks that would otherwise be impossible with manual labor alone. Robotic bricklayers can lay bricks faster and more precisely than humans. These machines work around the clock without tiring, increasing the speed of wall construction and reducing labor costs. By integrating robotic bricklayers, construction companies can scale their operations and meet tight deadlines more easily. Tunnel boring machines (TBMs) are used to excavate tunnels for roads, railways, and subways. These machines can bore through rock and soil with incredible efficiency, allowing for faster tunnel construction. With TBMs, large infrastructure projects can scale faster and overcome the challenges of difficult terrain. Concrete pumps are used to transport concrete to hard-to-reach areas on construction sites. These machines make it easier to pour concrete into forms, especially for tall buildings and large areas. By using concrete pumps, construction crews can scale their operations and improve project timelines. Drones are being increasingly used for site surveys and monitoring progress in real time. They provide aerial views of the construction site, capturing data that helps project managers make informed decisions. By integrating drones into construction, companies can scale site management and keep projects on track. Self-leveling screeds are machines that create smooth and level surfaces for concrete floors. These machines ensure a perfect finish, reducing the need for manual smoothing and leveling. With self-leveling screeds, construction teams can scale up their efficiency and deliver high-quality finishes faster. Mobile cranes are versatile machines used to lift materials and equipment across construction sites. Their mobility allows them to be repositioned quickly, making them ideal for various tasks on a single project. By using mobile cranes, construction teams can scale their lifting capabilities and improve productivity. Asphalt pavers are crucial for road construction, laying down asphalt quickly and evenly. These machines ensure smooth and durable road surfaces, cutting down on time and labor. By using asphalt pavers, road construction projects can scale and meet deadlines with greater efficiency. Electric excavators provide the same power as traditional machines but with reduced emissions and noise. These machines are ideal for construction projects in urban areas and help meet environmental regulations. By using electric excavators, construction companies can scale operations while minimizing their carbon footprint. Hydraulic breakers are used to break through concrete, rocks, and other hard materials during demolition. These powerful machines make demolition faster and more controlled, ensuring that projects stay on schedule. By using hydraulic breakers, companies can scale up demolition tasks with less manual labor. Self-driving dump trucks are becoming more common on construction sites, transporting materials like dirt and gravel without human drivers. These autonomous trucks reduce labor costs and improve safety by minimizing accidents. By integrating self-driving dump trucks, construction teams can scale transportation logistics more efficiently. Compact track loaders are versatile machines used for various tasks, including digging, grading, and lifting. Their compact size allows them to maneuver in tight spaces, making them ideal for small or urban construction projects. With compact track loaders, construction companies can scale up their versatility and adapt to a wide range of project needs. CNC machines are used to manufacture custom parts with incredible precision, from steel beams to specialized brackets. Machines allow construction companies to create parts on demand, reducing lead times and improving project timelines. By incorporating CNC machines, construction projects can scale with greater flexibility and customization. Automated road rollers ensure that asphalt is compacted evenly and effectively. These machines are equipped with sensors that adjust compaction pressure in real time, ensuring a smooth finish. These machines make it easier to pour concrete into forms, especially for tall buildings and large areas. By using concrete pumps, construction crews can scale their operations and improve project timelines. Drones are being increasingly used for site surveys and monitoring progress in real time. Their mobility allows them to be repositioned quickly, making them ideal for various tasks on a single project. By using mobile cranes, construction teams can scale their lifting capabilities and improve productivity. Asphalt pavers are crucial for road construction, laying down asphalt quickly and evenly. These machines ensure smooth and durable road surfaces, cutting down on time and labor. These machines ensure a perfect finish, reducing the need for manual smoothing and leveling. With self-leveling screeds, construction teams can scale up their efficiency and deliver high-quality finishes faster. Mobile cranes are versatile machines used to lift materials and equipment across construction sites. By using automated road rollers, road construction projects can scale their quality control and meet standards more consistently. AI-powered project management software uses data to optimize construction timelines, resources, and costs. This technology helps project managers make informed decisions and keep projects on schedule. By using AI-driven tools, construction teams can scale their planning and improve overall project efficiency. Thank you for tuning into SAM Official Tech *, where we bring you the most exciting innovations in technology. As you've seen, machines are transforming the construction industry, making projects faster, safer, and more efficient. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest technological advancements. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.